हिंदी सिनेमा और बॉलीवुड जो है वो तवाइफों की देन है हमको, और कुछ नहीं. देयर म्यूजिक इज़ पार्ट ऑफ हिंदी सिनेमा, देयर डांस इज़ पार्ट ऑफ हिंदी सिनेमा, देयर स्टोरीज आर पार्ट ऑफ हिंदी सिनेमा. From the silent cinema to till date, there must have been at least more than 1,000 films on Tawaif, in which a Tawaif was a character. I'm Manjari Chaturvedi, and for the last 15 years, I have been working on the stories of Tawaif, their music, their dance, what entailed as their performance art through my project, which is called the Courtesan Project. I did not see the women in the series, even a 2-minute shot of them sitting and reading poetry or discussing a tukda or discussing a rag or discussing कि ये वाली गज़ल इस राग में गाएं. So when we don't see something like this, which is actually a very strong part of the Tawaif culture, then it leaves us with the fact that, this is not the correct representation of the women, because we are not representing their art. We are only representing the physical part of the woman, which is necessary for titillation. You can't juxtapose a Lucknow or a Awadh tradition into Lahore and show that. So, there are inaccuracies which are there, which a person can get away with by saying that, these are his version of showing cinema. You would say, why should it be my responsibility to tell the right things? Because 25 years down the line, 30 years down the line, if somebody researches on Tawaifs, they will use your work as a resource material. And then a work which has so many errors in it would be taken as a resource material. We have damaged the women histories. During this research, I found it very strange that how a tradition perhaps existed and how that tradition came to be in the Hindi cinema or Bollywood. And from that, it has traveled to the public memory that today, for us, a Tawaif is a bosom-heaving, hip-shaking dancer which is there on whom you have to throw money, and that is what is a Tawaif. It is most unfortunate that that is the vision that has come back, whereas in history, we did not see anything like this. Initial films till about 1980s, every film had a Tawaif. So the Tawaif was used as a character, as a bad woman. She was the character जहाँ पर कोई भी लुटा पिटा हीरो जो है वो उसके दर पे आएगा, वही उसे जगह देगी. So there were multiple ways in which the Tawaif was woven into Hindi cinema stories. Now, when we talk about, the correct representation, or if we say the wrong representation, both existed. Now, if a story sells, if you show a woman as a bad woman or the other woman, they will make the Tawaif a bad woman, other woman. Pakiza represented the culture which perhaps Kamal Amrohi had seen at that time as a child, or maybe heard stories. So it was a film which was made more out of passion than out of a commercial angle that, how much money will it make? The word Tawaif has been interchangeably used as prostitute, to the extent that today if you call a woman a Tawaif, it essentially means it's an abuse, that you have abused a woman. Now, it is very ironical that women who were the most educated, the well-read women, who excelled in dance, in rag, in tal, in music, who were, the doyens of their art, that today is seen for a woman as abuse. Between around 1857 to 1947, in those 90 years, when there was a turmoil in India and we were fighting for, our independence, so where the royal patronage was going from art, the dance and the music came into foreground, and they were newer patrons. The newer patrons became the Britishers because they were powerful at that point of time. The Britishers did not understand these greens, so they clubbed everyone in the bracket of Nautch girls. To the extent they even bracketed the prostitutes under Nautch girls. So the distinction between the Tawayaf, the Mirasin or different others, or the sex worker which was there, unfortunately those differences went away during that period of time. In the 1960s, the Tawayafs actually held a conference in Delhi called the All India Tawayaf Conference. I found a pamphlet during my research and I found it so heartening because one of the agenda items was that the Tawayafs are not sex workers, they are artists and musicians. We must also understand that, post-independence, we did not have quotas in India, most of them. This tradition got over. So there were only aged Tawayafs who were there in India post-independence to tell the story or to tell us what the culture of Tawayaf was. हमने हिस्ट्री सिर्फ मर्दों की नज़र से देखी है. अब जो women histories हैं वो भी unfortunately आदमियों ने लिखे हैं. तो हमारे पास we don't have a perspective of the woman. We only have a man's perspective of everything in history. Over the years, I realized that, to keep their songs alive, I have to present them in different formats or different structures. So under the larger banner of the Courtesan Project, I've held, 4 seminars, all-day seminars in Delhi and Bombay. I've had multiple talks, 3 TEDx talks, a talk at the National Museum and at many other platforms, just so that we have a conversation about the Tawayafs. Mil Tawayaf is a performance which actually questions the role of society in creating the stigma for the word Tawayaf and the stigma for the women performers. For example, the same performers who were men in the courts of the Nawabs, we call them Ustad. And their progenies till date say with a sense of pride, my great-grandfather was in the Gwalior Gharana, my grandfather was with Wajid Ali Shah's Darbar. The males say it with a sense of pride. The females who were dancing in the same court, their families are made to feel ashamed of the fact that their grandmothers or great-grandmothers were part of the Darbar, because then they are looked at as Tawayafs and as Nachne Gaane Wale. So there's a gender-based distinction that we made in people who were performing the same art at the same place. There was no difference. Sab Raja ke darbar mein the. So this Main Tawayaf questions that how as a society we saw the women as different artists and the men as different artists, and how we regarded art from the lens of gender and not from the lens of art.